Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I do not recommend exploiting or anything else because I want to stop, but I need to keep my reputation. So when you're in the fucking game, you open up Volcano UI. Bro, just load. Load! So you open up Volcano, you attach, and then click Roblox. See, attach successfully, okay? You can go F9 and then you can go F9 by the way. Yeah, so there's the setting, topmost. Enable minimap. You can also change the color of volcano executor, but it doesn't work. I don't know why. So we can do print. See, it is not. It is attached. Let me get UNC real quick. So as you can see, I did the UNC test. It has 99 UNC. That's gonna be it. Bye bye.